Hello everyone. So I'm on a diet today. And ako nakita sa social media if unsaon daw kuno pag strict diet. So all you have to do is have a 3 bites sa imuhang meal nga ginakaon. So I have here my sandwich with cold cuts. So 3 bites ra daw kuno. Let's eat. First bite. Second bite. Last bite.
Mas balik na bigla kumakain.
Happy diet. Bye.